So you're wondering why the decal in my last video was white and yours are coming out clear. Well, there's two types of paper. You have transparent and you have white. So I'm going to show you both. In my left hand, I have transparent decals, and the one in my right there is on white paper. When you're just looking at them straight, you cannot tell until you start using them. So I'm going to show you the white one over a clear nail, and then I'm going to show you the transparent over a clear nail and a white nail to show you how to properly use the transparent ones. First things first, you got to put your decal in the water. I like putting it face down because then I can see the water soak through the back, and then I know when it's ready to use. Then you pull it out, and I also like to dry them off with a cotton pad. Water and nails don't mix. That's it, okay? So take the water off. Then once you've removed all the water, you can start peeling off your decal. You can use your nails or tweezers. I like to use tweezers. I just find it's easier to grab the decal and then just pull it off slowly, and you can see here it is white paper. You cannot see through it. This is not my printer. My printer does not print out fancy white ink. I think there are printers that do that so that you can print opaque over like the clear. I don't have that technology yet. Maybe I will. I don't know. So I'm putting it over the clear nail just to show you how opaque it is. I don't suggest using them over a clear nail. I'm just doing this for the video. So that nail is done. It is not top coated or finished. That's just the decal placed over top, and I filed off the excess. If you want to see how to do that, you can see one of my previous videos on how to apply water decals. So now we are going to do the transparent, and here I go peeling it off, and then I'm grabbing it with the tweezers. You can see here it is clear. Okay, and this is probably what most of you are using. So yeah, you cannot use these over dark nails. You have to use it over a very light opaque polish. So you can see here me putting it on the clear nail, you can't even see it show up. And so you can just imagine if you were using a dark color polish, you would not be able to see the image at all. So if you're going to be using the transparent, you have to put them over a very light opaque or just a white polish. And then you can see here the image just pops right out. So like I said earlier, for the white decals, I do suggest putting them also over a light polish color. It would make it pop more than what it's showing here. They're not completely opaque, obviously, but there you go. Transparent versus white decal paper. Make your choice wisely.